Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Bankole Adiola, the founder of Moral Crypto Blog. I'm here to give you guys the basic knowledge of cryptocurrency, blockchain, what is Bitcoin, what is Altcoin, what are NFTs. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change or cheat the system. It consists of numbers of blocks. Each block is a record of transaction of specific data, which can contain anything from cryptos to voting records to medical data. When one block is completed, it cannot be updated with new blocks. So it is then added to the chain, then that other chain will form a new block. All the information on blockchain system is public, so that is what we call decentralized system. It means the information is stored on many computers distributed around the globe, and there is no specific party or authorities to control it. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is any form of currency that only exists digitally, that usually has no central issuing or regulating authorities. Instead, use a decentralized system to record transactions and manage the issuance of new units, and that relies on a security system called cryptography. Cryptography prevents counterfeiting and fraudulent transactions. Altcoin is an alternative coin, a term used to describe all cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, because you don't know Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency that we have. So there is other coins which come from the fact that they are alternative to Bitcoin and traditional fiat money. The first altcoin was launched in 2011, and by now there are thousands of them. Altcoin aims at improving aspects of Bitcoin, such as transaction speed or energy efficiency. That's why we've seen Ethereum, which solved the issue of smart contracts. We've seen Solana, which helps to improve faster transaction at cheaper rates. Matic, same thing as smart contracts with faster transaction with cheaper fees. So each ecosystem or altcoin came to solve one or two issues in the cryptocurrency space. So guys, when you're talking about altcoins, we have different types of altcoins, thousands of altcoins out there. How will you know the best one to go for? How will you know this is the best altcoin to pick at this time? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself as an investor. If you want to invest in any altcoin, how will you identify the one that will do well in the market? You have to check the use case of the token you are investing on. What are the use cases? What are the problems they came to solve in the cryptocurrency community? Who are the team behind this token? The team are very, very important. Have you gone through the white paper, understanding the technologies? Tell me the supply of the token you are investing on. 90% of crypto investors, crypto traders don't understand this. There's a lot of criteria to check for when investing on cryptocurrency. It's not just about picking a coin, investing in any altcoin, thinking, or maybe because your friend invested in it, they now say, oh, I've made money in this coin, so you should go and buy. At the long run, you jump into the market, you buy the token, and at the long run, you will lose out. So if you want to learn more, understand more about cryptocurrency, altcoin, the best coin to pick in the market, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every week, I'll be dropping at least 3 videos to engage you guys on how the market is going. Turn on your notification, so anytime I drop new videos, you'll be the first person to get the alert of the video. Thanks.